Now here's something that will probably surprise you. Since 2017, approximately 30% of cars sold in the United States don't come with a spare tire. You might want to check because you might be driving one of those right now. Now I did a video about this GOOLOO jump starter air compressor system once before, and the folks at GOOLOO reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to do a video about this one, and I said, yeah, send it. Jump starting a car with this is actually pretty straightforward. You connect the clamps to the battery, and once they're hooked up correctly, you'll see an indicator light like this. Now at that point, just start the car. There aren't any buttons you have to mess with on the jump starter itself. And once the engine is running, you remove the clamps and you're all done. And this thing is a real powerhouse too. It's designed for all 12-volt gasoline engines, and it can handle diesel engines up to 10 liters. The air compressor is stronger than I expected. It inflates tires up to 160 psi. Besides car tires, you can also use it for bike tires, sports balls, and even pool floats. All the adapters for that are included. And because this device has a huge battery, you can also use it to recharge your cell phone, laptop, tablet, or iPad. It even comes with the cables. Charging this device is straightforward, and it even comes with the cable. You simply plug it into one of your wall chargers. The little battery icon on the display indicates the amount of charge in the battery. And if you ever have an issue at night, there's a built-in flashlight with an SOS mode, which is a nice thing to have on the side of the road. I keep one of these in my own car, and after a while I realized I really didn't need roadside assistance anymore. Knowing I can handle a dead battery or a low tire myself makes a big difference. If you like being prepared and want that same peace of mind every time you get in the car, this is something I can comfortably recommend. Thanks for watching.